What is up, guys? Today I have a pack opening for you. Platinum Arceus. It includes one Platinum Arceus TCG booster, one 3-card promo pack, and 2 foil promo cards. And promos look like they're from Pop series, so that's pretty cool. Before time began, perfection existed. Sounds interesting. Okay, so we're gonna get this open here. Let's go. Oops. Ooh, it's all sticky in the back. There we go. So we got Pop Series 9. Oh. What the heck is that? It's like stuck to it. Jeez. It's like glue on this. This is old though, so I don't even know. There's the pack, nice and water Arceus. I think that's what it is. And we got a Garchomp Pop Series 9. Okay, so let's get these promos out. There we go, that's one. Got Penny, Baby Evolution, Lively, nice. And we got Lopunny. Yeah. Nasty. I don't mind Lopunny. It's just whenever I do a Nuzlocke of Platinum or Diamond or Pearl, Lopunny, the thing I have, I always catch a Baneri, usually in Eterna Forest, and it usually has stupid Klutz. Klutz doesn't allow you to hold items, so you can't really train it up. It's annoying. Or use a Soothe Bell on it. So yeah, so let's get this Pop Series 9 pack. This is a cool item right here. I've never opened this. It's gonna be fun. Let's see if I can get it open without damaging it. Oh, I got something there. Come on. There we go. Oh, wow. What a great card. I got an energy. Except I think they all come with energies or something. But yeah. Here. Kind of. Okay, whatever. Okay, so we got... Oh, cool. I got the same card. That is actually pretty funny. Pretty funny right there. And I got a Gibble. Okay. So, nothing great from the Pop Series pack. So, let's hope Platinum Arceus gives me something cool. Oh, almost got it there. There we go. There we go. Kind of screwed everything up. So I don't even know like the trick for this. So let's just get this done. There we go. Okay, so we got Trico, Helix Fossil, Ammonite, Bronzor, Gulpin, Reverse Haunter, like that. It's cool. And Charmer. Okay, so nothing interesting. Bench Shield, Wormadam, and the regular Haunter. Okay, so yeah, I hope you like this video. Oh god. Let's see if we can get 3 likes on this, and yeah, have a fun day, guys.